Alright, let's look at the homework 4, problem number 11. Alright, so for this function f of x equals 3x squared, for part A, we want to find the slope of the secant line through 2 comma f of 2 and 2 plus h comma f of 2 plus h. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so you have 2 points, so you can think of it as x1 here, and this is y1. And this is x2 and comma y2, right? So part A, we want to find the slope m, but this is just a slope formula, which is just a y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is going to be equal to, right? So here you have y2 is f of 2 plus h minus y1 is f of 2, right? Then x2 is 2 plus h minus x1 is 2, right? So we can cancel 2 in here and 2 there, right? Let's write the f of 2 plus h. So f of x is 3x squared. So f of 2 plus h would be, so we replace x by 2 plus h. So you have a 3 and times 2 plus h squared minus 3 times 2 squared all over h. All right, so 3 is in common, so 3 here and 3 here. So I'll pull that out. So I'm gonna put 3 right here. All right, if you multiply 2 plus h squared, you're gonna get 2 times 2 squared would be 4, plus 2 times h is 4h, and plus h squared. And then minus 2 squared would be 4, right? Then divide by h, right? So we have 4 minus 4 would cancel out. And another thing we can pull out is since 4h and h squared has h in common, so we can pull out h here, right? Then you have a 4 left from 4h, and you have another h, so it's a plus h. And all over h, right? So we can cancel h on top and h on the bottom. So what you get is 3 times 4 plus h, right? So let's type it in. All right, so we got 3 times 4 plus h. So let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, part B. We want to find the slope of the graph at 2 comma f of 2, right? So all you have to do is here, we just have to take the limit of the result from part A as h approaches 0. So we just have, so m is going to be equal to, take the limit of 3, so you have a 3 times 4 plus h as h approaches 0, right? So we know that this h is going to disappear because it's going to approach 0. So what's left is 3 times 4, so that will be 12, right? So let's type it in. So answer is 12. So check the answer. We got that. All right, part C. We want to find the equation of the tangent line at 2 comma f of 2. All right, so we have, all right, so what we need is 2 points, right? So here we need, 1 point and a slope. So so here x1 comma y1 would be, right, x1 is 2. Right, f of 2 would be, if you plug in 2, 3 times the 2 squared, so it's going to be 12. Right, then slope, we just have found out that it's 12 there. Right, so equation is y minus y1, which is 12, is equal to, slope is 12, and x minus 2, x1. All right, by distributing 12 to x and the negative 2, we will get 12x minus 24. And in order to isolate the y, I'm going to add 12 to both sides. So you have a y is equal to 12x. Negative 24 plus 12 is negative 12. Right? So 12x minus 12. Right? So you have 12x minus 12. Right? Let's check the answer. We got that. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.